Chicagoland, Todd Krueger, Style Exteriors by Corley here. I'm with my man, Bill Corley from Style Exteriors by Corley, and we are proud to introduce our new series. It's simply called Riding Shotgun with Style. Probably asking yourself right now, why are these two idiots wearing Hawaiian shirts when it's 40 degrees out? But at Style Exteriors by Corley, every Friday is Hawaiian shirt day, and if we did not wear these, our production manager, John Hanson, would probably yell at us for not being in uniform. So, Johnny, you could leave us alone. We do follow orders. Getting back to the series we're working on again, Riding Shotgun with Style. The basis of this series is pretty simple. It's all about home ownership. For 95% of us out there, a home is the biggest investment we're ever going to make in our lives, and we want to protect that investment. We want to improve that investment. We want to grow that investment. And there's many aspects that come along with home ownership, and this series is going to divulge into all of them. Each episode, if you will, is going to be based on a different topic of home ownership with a guest that specializes in that particular field. We've already lined up a real estate agent, a home inspector, a mortgage broker to help with some questions and things that come up with those areas. And we have a list of other people very excited to join us on this project. So with that being said, Billy, you ready to roll, my man?
Yeah,
All
absolutely.
right, let's get out of here. So, Bill, the floor is yours. Why don't you start a little bit about us? Obviously, this is our series, so we want to get some information about us out there first. And plus, our wives bought us these lovely Hawaiian shirts, so we wanted to show them off. So, Billy, why don't you help us out and teach us a little bit about Style Exteriors by Corley?
You got it, no doubt. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm Bill Corley, Style Exteriors by Corley. I've been in the construction industry and around for about 16 years now, working through with on the distribution side with LI Building Products for a long time, and through that time I've met a lot of great contractors, a lot of great construction people in the networks that I continue to have long-lasting friendships with, and as well as business relationships with. So as we started this company, basically in mind, as I had seen within the world of contracting, there are a lot of things involved in some of the processes that I see were missed over the years, that some of the end consumers were not basically getting the best products that maybe they had deserved. So with this in mind, we have built and are looking to continue to build a culture of believing in what we do, believing in what we say, setting proper expectations, using the right materials, the systems, the science that back up these products and how everything works. So we take a streamlined focus on the development and the teaching and the learning of the business, doing things the right way continuously. It's really what we focus on is, all of these things based on asking the proper questions, listening to our customers, understanding the problems that they have, and providing the solutions so that they have ease of mind moving forward within their homes and their most important asset, as you mentioned.
Yeah, and people, again, that's what this is based on. We want to protect that investment, improve that investment, and end game is we're here to help our customers out. What are some of the services that we offer at Style Exteriors by Corley?
So we are a general contractor focused on the exterior of the home. The primary side of our business is roofing and siding. So we do put up premium manufacturers. We do have backed up credentials by these manufacturers through proven track results with ourselves, with our partners, what we've done, the trainings that we perform, the continuous education that we do have. So with that, the roofing and siding is a lot of what we do, as well as aluminum work, soffit, fascia, gutters. We have some trim packages that are going to get you into, we have the vinyls, the steel, PVC, fiber cement, composites. So a large breadth of offerings that we do have within our areas of expertise to be able to offer to our homeowners, our clients. And within that, as well as we do run across other trades, we have many trusted partners that we have aligned with that we make sure carry the same morals and ethics that we have in terms of providing services for the homeowners and keeping the homeowner as the primary reason of why we're doing it, where we do offer connections for our homeowners with these service providers as well.
And there's a lot of choices, and especially in our business. There's a lot of different companies that do the same things that we do, so there are a lot of choices out there for homeowners. And again, we just want to give them as much information as we can with the services that we offer, and help them make the right decision to improve their home. I think it'd be fair to say that over the 10 years we've known each other, I've been over at your house a few times, and noticed you and your wife have done some projects to improve your home, remodeling your home, and those projects actually had nothing to do with what we do on a daily basis. So if you want, you want to explain a little bit about the couple projects that you've recently completed at your own home.
Yeah, we've gone, we've done some major renovations throughout that do become stressful as they are, major construction projects. And as me and my wife talk and go through everything, we touch on every detail of what's going to make this right for us. It's got to be the looks, it's got to be the function, and we got to make sure that we're putting the right pieces in the right places, and us not knowing, we rely on experts that we trust by asking questions, inquiring about what we do. So throughout these processes, we had multiple contractors in asking questions, how are they addressing things, and as we did choose it, it came down to guys understanding, getting to the root of the problem, addressing roots of the problems, not trying to cheapen things up by band-aids or anything else. We made sure they were licensed and insured and bonded, and those were the most important things for us, for the peace of mind that if we're putting a lot of money into our house to better it, to make sure that it's functioning, we want to do our due diligence. We want to ask the questions and make sure that what is being presented is proper, and what is being performed at the end of it was exactly what they had told us. So throughout those processes, again, being construction, there were questions that come up in the middle of it, questions that come up, throughout the process. Well, what about this? Why don't we do that? And, we addressed it with these contractors, and all of the guys I worked with were very responsive to it, and addressed those things. And again, doing our research on the front side and making sure that we addressed all those questions, we were confident that our contractors were going to do that, and they did follow through on it. So, again, when people are touching our home, especially with my wife, as you know, Cindy, and the importance of the home and entertaining and the, the comfort for your family, these are very important things that you want to make sure that you are addressing and getting all the answers, and understanding that a kitchen's not a kitchen's not a kitchen, just as a roof's not a roof's not a roof. That there's a lot of details that go into it to make sure that things are properly protected.
Yeah. Well, and as first-hand experience of being those, I've seen the details, I've seen the work, and the kitchen, the bathroom, the laundry room, they all look great. Only problem is now my wife wants to do the same stuff to our house, so
it's understood.
We'll go from there. But again, hope you guys enjoyed this. This is the first of many episodes that we're going to do on this. And again, the topics we have are endless. If there's anything you would like us to possibly focus on, we are open to suggestions. So, comment below if you're watching this on Facebook, and we'll do our best to try to incorporate those ideas into future episodes. So, Style Exteriors by Corley, again, you can follow us on all social media aspects, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, at Style Exteriors by Corley. You can check us out on our website, www.styleexteriorsbc.com. So until we see each other again in the next episode, enjoy your guys' Friday. You have a lovely weekend, and keep your eyes out for our future series. So Billy, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. You got that company credit card in your wallet, right?
Oh boy, here we go. We got it now.
All right, well, that's good, because I'm kind of hungry. I think you're buying lunch, and I think we could probably write this off as a business expense. What do you think?
I think we're all right with that. Let's get a bite.
Again, thank you for your time, guys. Look forward to seeing you soon.
Thank you.